Hi everyone, on Windows 10, starting with build 21313. In the Dev channel, the Settings app includes an improved battery settings page that includes a new usage information section, which shows in more details the battery level, information over time, per hour, and battery usage per day, to help you better understand how the battery life is being used on your laptop. Also, as part of the information usage, you can see how long the screen was on or off and how long the device spent in sleep mode. Although the new settings are available in the latest preview, it is a hidden feature since it is still a work in progress and has not been officially introduced. However, anyone can activate the new battery settings with a third-party tool called ViveTool, created by Rafael Rivera and Lucas in GitHub. In this video, you will learn the steps to turn on the new battery settings in the latest insider preview of Windows 10 from the Dev channel. First, download the ViveTool zip file on given link on the description and extract the zip file. Next, right-click the Windows icon and run the command prompt admin. Next, type the following command to navigate to the ViveTool folder and press enter. In the command, remember to update the path to the folder to the location with the ViveTool files. Next, type the following command to enable the new battery settings on Windows 10 and press enter, and restart your device. Once you complete the steps, the new settings for the battery will enable on Windows 10. You can always revert the changes with the same instructions, but on step enable command, make sure to change the value as 1. If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.